Hello friends, my name is Habib. Today we're going to learn how to make a point and click game using Scratch. So first there will be the Scratch card will be the main character. There are going to be two scenes. A ball and the square. These are going to represent the interactive scenes that we can interact with. Now what I want is that when flag clicked forever, if then mouse down, go to glide 1 seconds to mouse pointer, and I want the costume to change to costume 2. Anyways, let me reduce the time to 0.5 seconds. Timer was made consistent. So now, what we want is that I will add a list. I've already made a list. Just let me delete the list. For this sprite only, I'll name it. And for all sprites, I'll name it stuff. This will be the stuff in our player's inventory. Currently, the list is empty. I'll delete all of stuff when it starts. Now, what I want is that if then mouse down, when flag clicked forever, if then mouse down and touching this, no, just if the mouse down and touching the mouse pointer, then add ball to stuff. We only want there to be we only want you to be able to add it once, so then we also add and not stuff contains ball now we can add the ball to stuff. Now what we want is that when we add this ball, we want it to only add the ball if it's also touching the scratch cat. So I'll also add another and statement. Touching sprite 1. So these are just between to if then touching sprite 1. Now I've equipped the ball. Now when it equips the ball, if then touching sprite 2, say sync. This is a ball. Oh, gonna put in another when flag clicked. This is redundant. Let me just remove it. It's a ball. Anyways, now that I have the ball, we have to be able to do something with the ball. Now I'll make another one. When flag clicked, forever, if then, touching sprite 1, and this list contains ball, then I don't know, it's going to do this. Switch costume to costume 1, costume to costume 2. Finally, I want it so that when a ball is added, it is going to disappear. And finally, I would want this ball to be removed from the list. Since the ball is the only thing in the list, I can put delete all of stuff. So let me just do this. If I'm turning sprite 2 and stuff contains ball sync. Anyways, that's it for today's tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, ObaCode. Bye.